Motor oil, whether conventional or synthetic, is vital to your engine's performance and long life. Oil lubricates the moving metal parts in your engine as they rub against each other, protecting against excessive wear and damage-causing heat. Your oil contains additives that clean deposits that build up on engine parts, suspending the deposits in the oil. As the oil circulates, the deposits are captured in the oil filter. The additives are depleted over time, reducing the oil's ability to protect the engine. Changing oil on schedule keeps your engine clean and protects against harmful sludge, which can clog oil passages, leaving some parts of the engine without lubrication. Your vehicle manufacturer recommends a specific standard of motor oil. You may be familiar with numbers like 10W40 or 5W30. These numbers are often referred to as grades or weights or viscosity ratings. They are not quality ratings. These numbers refer to specific properties required for a particular engine design. It's entirely possible that every vehicle in your garage requires different motor oil. It's very important to use the recommended grade in your vehicle regardless of the type or brand of oil you select. Using the wrong oil can actually lead to excessive engine wear and expensive damage. Conventional motor oil is a petroleum product, basically refined from old dinosaurs. Synthetic oil comes in two varieties. One, petroleum-based, which is a more highly refined conventional motor oil, and two, an entirely man-made product. Synthetic blends are a mixture of synthetic and conventional oils. Synthetic oil reduces friction considerably, reducing damage-causing heat and sludge. If your vehicle came from the factory filled with synthetic oil, use synthetic as recommended by the manufacturer. If your vehicle came with conventional oil, upgrading to full synthetic or synthetic blend with a compatible oil filter gives you an opportunity to enhance engine protection. Ask your service advisor about the benefits of synthetic oil for your vehicle.